Here's a new video, VHC. You can see this one coming along back in April, May. The 8 line had a little move here, went to 14, but look what happened after that, right back down. So unless you get out very quickly, it would have been a very good move. But then it came back, look at this, a triangle. Just mark your line right here, and the buy 624, 838. This goes right up, look at this, clean to about 20 now. They had to sell 724, 1982, 136%. Another low to high move that worked. Let me work on this chart here. So basically, put your line about here. You don't have to do it that way, it doesn't matter. And let's take a look. This is another pretty much, doesn't get that much volume. But back in 2023, this was at 50, or the split, whatever it was, and then a big gap down. 10 goes down, and then it's been hugging, below 10,347 to 10. Mark your line right here at the bottom of that gap. You're talking 1686, but let me draw this line in here from that bottom wick in December, and cross that. Now, once it got above, excuse me, once it got above 10 here, it was definitely a clean breakout, and then onward it went to 21. Now, after this move here and the shooting star wick, really, that's a day you should get out too. Once you see that, I don't like that candle at all. It's not like these, it's general candles going up. And then it came all the way back to this low 660. Then look what happened. There's the buy on the algo. 624 starts to move up. Now each line here, just plain line to line, this could have turned red and came back. It didn't. Either or is this one candle. Next day, look what happened. That's why you can't panic too on some of these moves. Another 2-day move. Now you could get out here after you've been at 8. I mean, that's at 17. That's a double. And then it just went up a little more. So you don't want to get greedy too. It depends on the run. If you're at 8 and it's here, yeah, definitely would get out. All right, weekly chart. You have the crossover right here. Look at this, white over red. Now it's turning a little bit. I see the monthly. Monthly's been going up for a long time now from 2024. Look at this. Up, down, up. Now it's crossing again. So, yeah, the move here, tremendous move again, coming out of this downward, call it a wedge here, falling wedge, and then it just explodes up. So VHC, a big move, 136% on this. Let me go back to that monthly and see here. Yeah, this has actually been around since 2009. It was at 19, actually with the, not 800 with the split, maybe it was like 80 back then, whatever it was, but and then it faded. Look at that fade all the way down. Looks like it has trouble over, well, it'll be on this chart, 167. It's riding that low line, starting to come up now. Look at this big move, the biggest move since really 2019 on this. So we'll see if this turns into a short now we come back, but there's the run. You want to catch a little move. What was that, about 3-4 weeks? That's solid. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Emmett Trades on YouTube.